Couples don't stop talking all at once. They stop one unfinished sentence at a time. At first, it still looks like a relationship. Same table, same couch, same bed, same two phones glowing in the same room. They still talk, just not about anything that matters. And the strange thing is, no one is yelling. No one is packing a bag. No one is saying, "This is over." They are still there. They are just becoming harder to reach. This is how silence grows between two people, not loudly, quietly, in 4 small stages. Stage 1. The sentence gets shorter. Maybe one night, she tries to tell him something small, something that mattered to her, and he says, without looking up from his laptop. So she pauses, then says, "Never mind." That sentence does not disappear. It goes somewhere. It becomes one more thing. She keeps to herself, and maybe another night, he tries too. He starts to say he had a hard day, but she looks tired, or distracted, or already gone, somewhere inside herself. So he changes it to, "Work was fine." The first stage is not silence. It is editing. You still speak. You just remove the parts of yourself that might not be received. Stage 2. The phone becomes safer, not better. Safer. The phone does not ask what you mean. The phone does not sigh. The phone does not roll its eyes. The phone does not turn your feeling into an argument. So slowly, without anyone deciding it, the screen becomes the place to go when the room feels too quiet. Two people sit next to each other and disappear into separate worlds. It does not look dramatic. It looks normal. That is what makes it so easy to miss. Stage 3. Logistics replace intimacy. They still speak, but now the relationship has a smaller language. Did you pay the bill? Can you pick up dinner? What time is the appointment? We're out of milk again. These conversations are not nothing. They keep the life running. They keep the house standing, but they do not make anyone feel known. And slowly, a person can start to feel like a roommate in their own marriage. From the outside, everything still works. The dishes get done, the calendar fills up, the lights turn off at night, but something invisible has stopped moving between them. Stage 4. Curiosity disappears. This is the quietest stage, and maybe the most dangerous one, because the opposite of love is not always hate. Sometimes it is not asking anymore, not asking how their day really was, not noticing when their face changes, not wondering what they are carrying, not following up, not reaching. When curiosity leaves, silence has somewhere to sit. And one day, during something ordinary, one of them notices a dinner, a drive home, a Sunday morning, a birthday. They look at the person beside them and realize there is no private joke, no small warmth, no shared language, just two people who know each other's schedules, but not each other's inner lives. And the terrifying part is not only the distance, it is realizing you do not know when it started. There was no single day, no one moment where everything broke. It was 1,000 small moments of not choosing each other, 1,000 small silences that no one broke. So is there a way back? Sometimes, but it usually does not begin with a huge conversation. Not a dramatic confession, not a perfect apology, not a weekend trip that magically fixes everything. The way back is often much smaller and much harder. It begins when one person says one real thing, not a logistics thing, not a schedule thing, a real thing. "I'm not trying to fight, I'm trying to reach you." And then they wait to see if the other person is still there. Sometimes they are. Sometimes the silence has gone on too long, and both people have quietly found other places to put themselves. But sometimes, when one person reaches, the other person reaches back. And that is where it starts again, not with everything fixed, just with two people deciding that the silence is no longer acceptable. If any part of this felt familiar, the dinners, the phones, the logistics, the feeling of sitting beside someone and still feeling far away, that feeling is worth listening to, not because everything is over, because something quiet is asking to be heard. When did you first notice the silence had changed? Leave it in the comments. Someone else may be wondering the same thing.